everyone, welcome to our project Kala Kavach. In our project, we found that our local masters, the true creators of traditional Swadeshi Indian art, are on the verge of extinction. We remain unaware of their basic legal rights and are left defenseless against global plagiarism and digital theft, allowing our treasured cultural heritage to slowly fade away.
Our research reveals digital copying along with exploitation by middlemen reduces the artisans' verified income by more than 50%. This not only deepens their poverty but also blocks the path to India's economic samriddhi. Burdened by financial struggles, many skilled artisans are being forced to abandon their family legacy and golden traditions that once defined India's artistic glory.
One of the major reasons behind this crisis is the lack of digital literacy, access to affordable legal resources among Indian artisans. As a result, their priceless heritage remains vulnerable, unprotected, and at risk of being erased from global memory.
Unaware of their rights, these artisans remain trapped in poverty while international companies rebrand and profit from India's traditional art and craft forms. This exploitation stands in direct opposition to vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India which is built on its creators.
To address this problem, we have developed an innovative app called Kala Kavach. Kala Kavach provides each artist with a unique digital authentication stamp which protects them from theft and duplication. It also serves as a trusted marketplace for the artists to sell and showcase their artwork, empowering them to preserve, protect and prosper through their art.
Cover page. Welcome to Kala Kavach. Our mission is to protect, preserve and promote India's handmade heritage. Every handcraft piece tells us a story, and through Kala Kavach we make sure those stories never fade away. Welcome page. This is the home screen. Here users can choose what they want to do, either upload and share their artwork or explore and learn about existing traditional art forms. It's simple, friendly and built for both artists and art lovers. My Gallery. This is the My Gallery section where artists can showcase their uploaded artworks. You can see examples like Madhubani painting, Sanji art and Toda embroidery. At the bottom, users can easily choose to create, share or sell their artworks, giving traditional artists a digital space to shine. Upload section. Here artists can upload photos or videos of their art, mention the name and type of artwork and choose if it's for sale or just for display. They can also write a short description, giving their art a personal story directly from the creators. Protect your art. Your art deserves protection. Kala Kavach ensures your rights are respected. Under the Copyright Act, your work is automatically protected. You can also register designs, trademarks and claim moral rights. Form. To complete your Kala Kavach, fill out your profile, enter your name and age, upload your ID and photo and tell us why you need protection. This helps us support you better as an artist and as a voice worth preserving. If your art is verified, you will receive a Kala Kavach certificate, a digital badge of honor like this one awarded to Lalji Krishna for his stunning Pichwai painting. It's more than a document, it's recognition. Kala Kavach bridges the gap between local artisans and the global audience, preserving culture while empowering creators. It's not just an app, it's a digital armor protecting India's artistic souls.
Together with the spirit of Vocal for Local, through Kala Kavach, we aim to preserve, protect and progress India's art and its artists.